CBSE Biology Class 9 Chapter 5 Unit of Life Part 2. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers which most of the students like. Note that PG is for page, CLM for column and PR for paragraph in the textbook. Questions are in yellow color while answers in white color. State any three functions of the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane allows or permits the entry and exit of some materials in and out of the cell. It also prevents movement of some other material. It is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the contents of the cell from its external environment. Gas can move across the cell membrane from a region of high concentration to a region where its concentration is low. A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, both A and B, and D. None of them. The answer is C. Both A and B. The movement of water molecules from a region of high water concentration to low water concentration through a selectively permeable membrane is called dash. The answer is osmosis. It is the passage of water from a region of high concentration of water through a semi-permeable membrane to a region of low concentration of water. In which condition cell will gain water by osmosis? The answer is if the medium surrounding the cell has a higher water concentration than the cell, meaning that the outside solution is very dilute, the cell will gain water by osmosis. In which condition cell will lose water by osmosis? If the medium has a lower concentration of water than the cell, meaning that it is a very concentrated solution, the cell will lose water by osmosis. Such a solution is known as hypertonic solution. How osmosis helps in a plant body? Most plant cells tend to gain water through osmosis. Absorption of water by plant roots is also an example of osmosis. In which condition there will be no net movement of water across the cell membrane of a cell by osmosis? If the medium has exactly the same water concentration as inside the cell, there will be no net movement of water across the cell membrane. Such a solution is known as isotonic solution. Different molecules move in and out of the cell through a type of transport requiring use of energy in the form of dash. A. ATP, B. ADP, C. AMP, D. None of these. The answer is ATP, full form adenosine triphosphate. How can we observe the structure of the plasma membrane? The plasma membrane is flexible and is made up of organic molecules called lipids and proteins. However, we can observe the structure of the plasma membrane only through an electron microscope. By which kinds of molecules plasma membrane is made? A. Proteins, B. Lipids, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The answer is C. Both A and B, means proteins and lipids. Name the process by which amoeba acquires its food. The flexibility of the cell membrane also enables the cell to engulf in food and other materials from its external environment. Such processes are known as endocytosis. Amoeba acquires its food through such processes. In addition to the plasma membrane, plant cells have another rigid outer covering called the dash. A. Cell wall, B. Cell membrane, C. Cell cover, D. None of these. The answer is A. Cell wall. State the importance of Cellulose in plant cells. The plant cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose. Cellulose is a complex substance and provides structural strength to plants. When a living plant cell loses water through osmosis, there is shrinkage or contraction of the contents of the cell away from the cell wall. This phenomenon is known as dash A. Osmosis, B. Plasmolysis, C. Deplasmolysis, and D. None of these. The answer is plasmolysis. Here is the end of this part. The question answers of this chapter 5, Fundamental Unit of Life, will be continued in the next video titled CBSE Biology Class 9, Chapter 5, Unit of Life, Part 3. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email.